What are we doing here?
Well,
Go look at the bus. I don't know, we'll have to go look at it. I haven't seen inside yet. Aw, did Gigi miss you?
Hey, Gigi, you're so fast.
What are we doing here?
well, this is our new bus, and we're gonna fix it up a little bit because the old girl's got a couple of beauty marks, as you can see. So some of it's gonna be easier than others, but we're gonna turn it into a tour bus. So we'll leave some of the couches in there, but then we're gonna make a bunkhouse in the back. So it's gonna be sweet.
Wow. Look at this beauty.
I know, right?
Are these beds?
Well, sorta.
Are these beds?
Anyway,
You can do this. What is this?
that's a wine chiller.
What does it do?
It chills wine.
It's a sippy tackle.
So the soffit mounts, whatever, he took down to get rid of speakers and stuff that were in here because the wires were super brittle, which that's fine. Quite frankly, probably what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some better sounding speakers anyway. So the idea is, so probably what I'm going to do, probably what I'd like to do, or what my initial thought was, I would typically here. It could be that if this couch is too long, we might have to rotate it that way and put this couch over there. Hey, I'm super pumped. This is gonna be fun.
Yeah.
And because it's an official bus, passengers must stand behind the white line. In this bus.
Where's the white line? We don't know.
It's probably under this fancy little rug. Oh yeah.
Oh,
Oh yeah.
What?
It's the white
white
line.
line.
Don't cry.
Nice. What do you think, Opal?
I like it.
So, exciting things have been happening on the farm, but there's also been some exciting things happening, well, on the farm for now, soon to be out on the road. We bought a bus, and I'm super excited about it. It's going to be my touring vehicle. It is a big old shuttle bus. Used to be a limo. Now it's going to be home on the road. So, goal today is to kind of get things cleaned out a little bit and do some assessment on figuring out exactly what needs to be fixed as far as functionality of it before we start tearing into things. The goal is to completely redo the inside of it to where we're going to re-insulate it. We're going to put a bunkhouse in the back and then move some of the couches around so we've got plenty of seating, plenty of space to sleep, and get everything functioning so that it's going to be a good home out on the road. So super pumped and excited to take you guys along. So inside the back of the bus, as you can see, a bunch of couches, which is awesome. And they already took some of the headliner down, which I need to get that out. Need to get the TVs out and all the other electronics and random things that are in here. So we can start figuring out exactly where things go, what needs to come out, what needs to stay. Most of it's going to go out. The game plan for this is to keep the front bench here and then a bench over on this side, and then basically from about this part of the window back to that wall is going to be all bunks. So 3 on this side, 3 on that side, and then a doorway here. So you can have your sleeping space and then your hangout space, and then we'll actually have luggage behind that wall, and then possibly still thinking through this, what we might do, some sort of composting toilet or something like that, just to make it easier while we're out on the road. So I'm super pumped. So let's tear into it. There's lots of work to be done. I think I'm going to go to the back side now and try to get underneath of there, because I think what's going to end up happening is I'm going to end up starting to pull seats and vacuuming this out like crazy, mainly because there's a lot of gunk underneath these seats. There's lots of stuff back in there and back in there, and we're gonna need to pull this out and get working on it. Cool part is now this is disconnected. This is the back of the couch, so I can actually get down below behind here, and we're gonna start disconnecting some of this stuff. Some of this is actually, I believe, cabling that goes to the back mirror, because it looks like, and it wasn't working when I got it, but it looks like there's actually fireworks that light up in the mirror. So that actually might be fun for a project just to make. But as I was sitting here with my back to the outside world, it started snowing. But that is a beautiful sunset. So nice. So didn't get a ton done today. Started getting it cleaned out, but super excited for what this bus is going to turn into.